Next, I will teach you how to connect and use the thermal imaging camera. The first step is to confirm the ports of the camera. From left to right, they are RX, TX, CVBS, GND, and 4.5-18V. Then there are the interfaces of the image transmission module, which has 6 interfaces and needs to be connected according to the usage. The connecting lines are CVBS connected to video, GND connected to GND, and 4.5-18V connected to 5V. These 2 lines do not need to be connected. The wire sequence between the image transmission module and the power supply is GND connected to the negative pole and SIN connected to the positive pole. Our flight controller supports direct plug-in of the camera. G10V, VTX, and T5 are the image transmission port. For the image transmission end, only video, GND, and SIN need to be connected. For the flight controller end, only G10V and VTX need to be connected. C1, 5V, and G are the camera port. For the camera end, only CVBS, GND, and 4.5-18V need to be connected. The 3-pin of the flight controller end can be directly plugged in. Take out the ESC and connect it to the flight controller. Finally, connect the power supply.